Hey, it's Zhongyuan, and this video is about how to use Flowdock and Confluence for MUR electric team members. And firstly, let me introduce how to use the Flowdock. As you can see, this is the main interface of the Flowdock website, and you need to first register. You need to first be invited and register an account. This is my account. This is my avatar. I'm a South Park fan, so this is my avatar. And this list here are flows in Flowdock. The flows means like a chat room or just a Facebook log, dialogue. Just you can have all the conversations here or threads, and these are different flows that you can access for MUR electric teams. And here are the one-to-one conversations or private conversations. You can talk to someone privately, and here you can add to any flows by clicking this plus sign. And here are flows that are available inside the MUR electrical and MUR combustion team. And as you can see, I have already added to some of the flows, and I'll show you some here within the management capstone team. Within flows, there are many dialogues called threads, and you can just start a new thread or new topic here just by typing something like this is a new thread, and just type send, or as I set the hotkey as Shift plus Enter, and you can just type Enter as you wish. You can set it in the preferences, and here let me press Shift and Enter. Here is the new thread, and why we're using threads instead of conversations like Messenger, like iMessage, because you can trace the threads, trace everything about related to the threads easily by click on this button, this bubbles. And here you can see everything about the thread, and you can comment on this thread. This is a comment, and you can post this comment. Also, outside this thread, you can check everything about the thread and comment every updates about this flow in here. And also, if there's another thread, this is another thread. And if you post another thread, and after pages of conversations, and you still want to find out what is talking about in this thread, you may just click on this button, and everything about every person's comments about this thread is shown here. That's why we encourage you to use threads other than just type in this column here. And on the right, there are inboxes. We haven't been using inboxes frequently, but a main use of this inbox is to manage interactions between Flowdock and outside sources. Like there's an example of email mailbox, and in this mailbox there are many informations updates about the MUR electric team, and every email that this mailbox received will occurs here, so that you can just click on here and check what is within this main-e at mur.flowdock.com in this mailbox. And also there is a Confluence link, which you can click this link, and it will redirect you to the MUR Confluence, which I have already opened here. And this is the main method of Flowdock, and here are some advantage techniques of how to use this, how to chat like this. And firstly, if you are familiar with Markdown language, this is the same in Flowdock. It's just like if you want to code something, just tap this this is a quote, and this is the quote here. And also, if you like to emphasize, you can use underscores. It's like this, italic. And if you want to bold, just double underscore and bold, and with double underscore. Here is bold. And also there's a lot of techniques about Markdown, and which I found here. Here is the Markdown cheat sheet. You can check everything you like, how to post links, lists, like images here, and I'll post this link on the description of this video. And there are also some advanced functions. If you type /help or /?, you can find here Flowdock chat commands, and tap these things like you can generate a GIF from the website Jiffy, and you can use some memes, and you can just slap someone or just start a one-to-one conversation. It's really easy. You can just read through this, and that's basically how to use Flowdocks. And for how to use, I need to mention one last thing is how to use one-to-one conversation. As you can see this here. If I want to talk to C privately, I can just click on C's name, and there's a start one-to-one option. Click on this, and you start a private conversation here. Here is something we have talked before. And once you have talked to someone, they will appear here, and so that you can find this conversation really easily. For example, I talk to Max, talk to Zhiyu, and so on. And now